So if you have got an iPhone, stop taking boring screenshots. Instead, take screenshots like these. Let me show you how. Suppose you have taken a screenshot. Now, instead of sharing it directly, tap on the share button. Do you see this option? This will add an iPhone frame to your screenshots and then again give you pop-up. And now you can share it anywhere you want. For example, if I share it in one of my groups on WhatsApp, this is how it is going to look. Then once it is sent, I can delete this screenshot. So cool. Now the thing is, how do you enable this add iPhone mockup feature? It is actually a shortcut that I have created for myself, and I'm going to be sharing it with you all at the end of this video. So stay tuned. This iPhone shortcut app can be either added to your home screen or to the share sheet so that it can be easily accessible. So let me show you how this shortcut actually works. It takes the screenshot and then it adds a mask on the screenshot it has taken, makes it rounded rectangle, and then it will add it as an overlay on an image which I have saved on my phone. So it grabs that image, which is the background image, and then it adds the screenshot on top of it. And then on this overlaid image, another image is added, which is actually a PNG file of an iPhone frame with a transparent background. So it only appears on top of the screenshot. And then the final image is ready. And then this shortcut will pop up the share option, which will let you share the final image anywhere you want. You can create your own shortcut, but if you want to use mine, you can get the link in the description. And apart from that, you can also get the two images that I'm using. One, the background image, and the other one is iPhone frame. Both the images will be available for you to download, which you can set up for your own usage. Here is the tutorial. Okay, so once you have downloaded this shortcut from the link in the description and have added it to your shortcut account on your iPhone, you can open this shortcut by tapping the three dots and you will be able to see what actions I have added into this shortcut. So the first section is get the screenshot and then add a mask to it, which makes it rounded rectangle, because if I was not adding the mask, the screenshot was visible on the sides even after adding the frame to it. So I added this mask action, and in the text you can see the URL of the image that I'm using in the next section. So the next section is it gets the file from the folder called assets and then it adds the screenshot on top of it. It overlays the screenshot. So what you can do is you can get the URL, highlight the URL, copy it, and then open it in a browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome browser on my iPhone, so I will use it and then paste it into the address bar. The image will open and then I can tap on the download icon on the bottom left hand side. It will download and then I will save it in my Files app in a specific folder. I have actually saved it in a folder called assets so that I do not accidentally delete it. You can also create a separate folder and name it something, but I would advise you to name assets. This way you will not have to do anything to the actions. So on your iPhone, you can save it in a folder called assets, and then this will work. If you choose to create any other folder, you will have to tap on assets and then select the path so that this action can get this file. There is nothing else you have to do. And then you can look for the second text box, which contains the second image, which is a PNG file of an iPhone frame. Obviously, you can create your own image. You can download it from the internet, but if you want to use my image, you can copy the URL from the text field, open in browser of your choice, and then download it to your iPhone. Save it in the same folder or any folder of your choice. You just have to give the next action, which is get from the folder, get file from the folder. You have to assign the path. Now to add this shortcut to your home screen, you can tap on the arrow on the top after the name, and then you can tap on add to home screen from the options, and this will be added to your home screen. You can also change the icon or the color of the icon to customize this according to your choice. Or if you want to add it to the share sheet, you can tap on the I button at the bottom, which will give you the option. You just have to toggle that button to make it appear on the share sheet. The next time you take a screenshot and tap on the share button, you will not see add iPhone mockup on the top because I added it to favorites so that it appears on the top. You will see it somewhere at the bottom. You can tap on edit actions. Then you can tap on the plus button to make it appear under favorites. Long press the hamburger icon on the right hand side of this feature and drag it to the top. And the next time when you have to add a mockup to a screenshot, when you tap on share button, your add iPhone mockup will appear on top. When you tap on it, it will work its magic and will add an iPhone mockup to your screenshot, and you will be able to easily share the new screenshot anywhere you want. So that's it in this video. I hope you found this useful, and now you will be able to take amazing screenshots that you can share with your friends and on social media. I have few more shortcuts and I will be making videos individually, so subscribe for those videos as well. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.